what's up YouTube, welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna be going to a car meet, supercar meet. So there's gonna be like Lamborghinis for days. I don't know if it's gonna be the same today because last month there was like 5 SVJs, Lamborghinis for days, McLarens for days, Porsches for days. So we're definitely not fit, you know, for this car meet, but everyone's bringing their cars. Like last time I saw like a GTR, like an old like hipster GTR, you know what I mean? So there's all types of cars there, which I'm excited for. But pretty much first car meet, I'm super happy. It's like, you know, close by, so it's gonna be a vibe. But from last time I remember, parking there sucks. So we're gonna go see. Maybe we could park with some Hellcat homies. Maybe there's gonna be some Hellcat people there. I don't really remember. It's been a minute. Last time I just remember seeing a bunch of Lamborghinis, so I didn't even notice the Hellcat. So we're gonna see. So every time, bro, every time it's a new day, it sounds like. Oh my goodness.
On the quest for a Hellcat.
Dude,
is it?
Dude, it has to be. Oh, it's a scat pack, but it looks sick though. Looks sick though.
Mm-hmm.
Broke to even think about one. So I didn't even let myself go there. Bro, things over here. It's a Hemi. Yo, GT350, nice. I was actually supposed to get one. Stick shift too, bro. Yo, Audi. I think it's a Q8.
Oh, it's nice.
Dude, the RS Q8s literally sound like a Urus.
No way.
Yeah. Dude, I'm actually so anxious right now. I don't know what to expect. You know?
Yeah, right. First time actually taking a nice car.
I'm not gonna be able to find parking though. Dude,
oh wow.
Yeah, it's gonna be rough.
Oh my gosh.
This is such a vibe, you know.
Yeah.
After COVID, you don't really see events like this like as much, you know.
Mm-hmm.
Like before, dude, car meets were like popping, but now it's like.
I'm sure you can meet a lot of like car guy friends.
That's what I'm saying. That's why I'm like excited. Yeah, I'm saying the only way to make it here, like inside. Oh. Is to
be a part of the club, maybe.
Early. No, you gotta come here like probably an hour early. Damn, bro, I love the colorway on this one. This is definitely someday I'm gonna try to get this once I level up some more. But bro, that car, like, bro, that car is bro, and it's right wheel drive. That's like the vibe, bro. I'm totally trying to get a right wheel drive freaking Japanese car. But another GT500. This is just the beginning, bro. There's like so many insane cars at the dealer, so we're gonna head there right now. I also want to record the police department. I guess they want to hire some speeders to catch speeders. You know what I mean? Bro, there's no way this is what I think it is, bro. Dude, that's a sick freaking vintage Porsche, the wide body kit. Oh my gosh. But that's not even the best part, bro. There's a freaking SVJ right here. Oh my gosh, there's even more cars down there, bro. GT2 RS. Oh my gosh, GT3 RS right there, bro. This is like freaking like heaven right now, bro. Car heaven. Oh my gosh. Dude, I might be tripping, but there's like, I don't know too much about the wide body kits, but I think that's the rare body kit, bro. And it's a vintage Porsche. Dude, that's so BA. Bro, McLaren and Lambo. Oh my gosh. This guy has to be a stock trader. Cars just look so clean in person, bro. It's unbelievable. Sick looking Ferrari. Dude, Dodge Viper. Oh my gosh. Look at some hipster, old school Ferrari, bro. This is the big right here, bro. Since I have a Dodge, this is what I gotta like right here. But R race for days. Mercedes, another Ferrari. Sheesh, bro. We need to go down. I need to go to the underground spot, but there's even more Ferraris. Dude, this Ferrari. Oh my gosh, this looks so good. This colorway actually looks so clean. Oh my gosh, and STL. Oh my gosh, purple GTO 3RS. See, that's a clean colorway too. Oh my gosh. But look at this Ferrari. That's a clean colorway. Look how good that colorway looks.
Yeah, dude. All the cars
Look at the Lambo STO.
That's a vibe.
This Ferrari, I think here right now, bro.
And then a Lamborghini right here.
I think it's because it's I don't know for sure. That's, dude, honestly, that's a collection car for sure. I'd love to have one day. Just for the heck of it. One day. I'm gonna have it one day. How'd you cruise through the mountains with this car?
Yeah.
Freaking gassing it, hauling it.
Dude,
The
mountain we
vibe.
live beside.
The vibe.
Insane.
What's the history behind this one, Yana?
GT1 construction.
That's so dope. You already know this is a spot when there's like 10 photographers here. But those cars are iconic though, for real. It's a rare car. Just how many photographers it shows?
They have such a similar thing to Ferrari. Like the logo.
Yeah, because it has the horse on it.
Look at all the pink cars.
Yeah, it's a vibe.
Yeah.
That car, I was freaking around with that crap. Like, why would you not? Just freaking wide body vintage Porsche. It's insane.
Yeah. SVJ. It's a little beat up there. Yeah, I'm surprised too.
Yeah, there's usually more.
Oh, it's over there.
McLarens, bro.
Oh, nice. Dang, that's clean.
So beast.
Clean as
I know, this one's 720.
dang.
You can't drive it anymore. Oh my, look at the inside, bro. Look at the inside. Show that inside.
That's insane.
So clean. I sound so freaking good. Oh my gosh, that's a sick car. So good. It's such a clean colorway, bro. And another McLaren, bro. Oh my god. Look how clean it looks. Oh my gosh, that is the vibe, bro. Pretty much that's all the cars here. I expected more SVJs, but still, freaking Ferraris for days, bro. These cars are hell expensive.
No, this is a really cool car meet.
Yeah, it really is.
We need to do this every month for sure.
Honestly, I hate how the music's blasting because I think I'm gonna get copyrighted, but who cares? I'm not monetized yet anyways, but bro. Oh my gosh. I'm getting one day, boys. I'm for sure. Hustling till I can, bro. We're getting one. Oh, dude, I'm for sure getting McLaren too, bro. Oh my, dude. Oh my gosh, this looks so good. Bro, let's do it. Hustle till you can, bro. Let's go. All right, I'm ready to dip out soon, but honestly, bro, I remember I was talking to my buddies with like this type of car, and like, from what I know, it's not only is the car rare itself, the wide body kit's hella rare. So I just can't stop looking at it because it's like such a aesthetic, bro. Like, how wide are those? Oh my gosh, those freaking tires are massive. Anyways, bro, this is the vibe right here. I love how vintage the car is and it's wide body. It just looks so good. It looks so good. Oh my gosh. Looks so dope. I love how they're all right wheel drive. That's like so aesthetic. Sick M3 too. Dang, bro. I just love the aesthetic of these cars, bro. Oh my gosh, another bike. Dang, looks sick. Nice little M4 comp or M3. Oh, it's an M3 comp. Looks so clean. But the one GTR that just keeps catching my eye is honestly the one I showed earlier, the red one. It's right there. M2, I think. Yeah, M2. That GT, dude, that GTR looks so good. I don't know why the front just looks so beast. You can see the freaking radiator. Dude, that's the aesthetic right there. That's the vibe. Dang. All right, we're heading out now, but dude, sick little car meet. I wish you came earlier. Hope you guys do this type of vid, little car meet stuff. These cars are hella vintage. It's a freaking vibe, honestly. It's only once a month, so I'll probably just be posting these every time I go, But there's always new cars, all types of stuff. Hopefully next time we come, we can connect with more people. Who knows, maybe collab with some people. It's time to head home, make a couple pulls, finish off the vid. Dang, look at all these freaking cars. So dope.
It really is a vibe.
I just wish I knew who owned the cars, because there's so many people.
Yeah, for sure.
Sir! You gotta leave it the right way, you know what I mean? You gotta leave the car meet the right way. I didn't hear single superchargers this whole time, you know what I mean?
That's so true.
So,
That's so cute. The little kid's like, rev it. He's
Is that what he
recording. Yeah.
Sick.
He's probably having the time of his life.
Yeah, for sure, dude. Because that's how I was, bro.
Yeah.
Go past them one more time.
Oh,
Finish off
true.
the vid. Like I said, man, if you guys enjoyed the vid, make sure you guys leave a like. Like I said, bro, we're at 3.4K subs. Bro, 2 weeks ago, I was thanking you guys for 300 subs. 2 weeks ago, on my Afford a Hellcat, which is like 14 days ago, I was thanking you guys for 300 subs. That's crazy, bro. Time to keep going. Time to keep blowing up.
Yeah. It was the best leaving that.
I just love how it whines so loud. Like, all the cars were leaving, you heard exhaust, but you didn't hear, like, you know?
Yeah, you're right.
And that's why if I get, like, a GT3 RS, I have to make everything that's turbo has to spool. Like, there's too many, everyone's going so freaking slow. Oh my gosh, I love this car so much. If you guys enjoyed the vid, make sure you guys leave a like. If you guys want to see more, make sure to subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.